Hey guys, Tatsugo's58 here, and welcome to my 300th video. I personally would like to thank everyone who's taken the time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. I couldn't possibly have gotten this far without your support and the amount of views I've gotten on some of my major videos. You guys are so awesome for that. Now, since the miniseries Sauria ended last week, I've been in the mood to check out Dead Sound's dinosaur animations again. So, to celebrate the occasion of reaching 300 milestone, I decided to rewatch the animations for you guys. Starting tonight, I'm going to be watching one episode for the next few days. Starting tonight, I'm going to start with Sharp Teeth, a film that released all the way back in 2019. Now, I remember this one pretty well. It features a Triceratops family. Remember, this is before the dinosaur tribe thing that he had going on in the Sauria series. So this is just regular dinosaurs that happen. These are just normal dinosaurs. So anyway, it focuses on a family of Triceratops. T-Rex appears, hunting. I won't spoil anything in case you guys haven't seen it, but I'm going to be checking out. If you guys haven't seen it, click off the video now and check out the video first, which I will provide a link for in the description. And then check out my reaction vid. I think the fair thing to do is check out the original video first before seeing reactions. Anyway, let's jump right in and see what Dead Sound has to offer us tonight, shall we? And click.
Are you mine? Mother is confused. She's looking for a sign. The rest seem unmoved. Yes, you are mine, the mother states with glee. You're small and round and helpless, but I can tell from your little teeth.
Yeah, I remember that. There's a narrator in this one. Unlike
Most outsider friendly. The swift, the tall.
I don't remember if the other videos have a narrator or not, but I guess we'll see what happens.
Have more eyes. Don't worry. Blunt teeth and beaks 4 feet. None here have sharp teeth. Just stay close to me. The swift ones run away. The tall ones turn around, both with heightened senses and stuck so close to ground. What made them run in fear?
That makes sense.
Confused. An evil monster is near. Her young she cannot lose. Mother is to defend, slow but tough and strong. Her young one, not so. Behind her, the young belongs. Every twitch, another monster. Mother is convinced she'll never leave her youngster. Evil monsters do exist.
Oh, coming from behind.
The young one cries out, but Mother was too late. The evil monster lunged and sealed the young one's fate. Mother's instincts shattered, scared, confused of what became. So round and small and helpless, with only herself to blame. With this broken mother, it seems the evil does no good. But the evil doesn't eat. The young was not its food. The evil has its own young. Evil? Could these be? I think no, says their mother. Simply born with sharp teeth.
They're different, but they were born the same way. Yep, that was a really good animation. It looks a bit early compared to how the animation was for his later Sauria series, but it was more or less the same. It just improved over the years, you can tell. But anyway, as much as I hate to admit it, that's the sort of thing that happens in nature. Usually the predators will go after the weak or the young. But what I really do like about that animation is that it points out that not all, predators, they aren't evil. They're just surviving. Usually in movies and shows, cartoons, they usually prefer to portray, carnivores, meat-eating animals as villains. But truth is, they're just not evil in real life. They're just following their own instincts. They don't really have a choice in the matter. They see prey, they just take the first chance they just take the first chance they get, you know? But I do hate seeing that, though. No one young should ever have to die so soon, you know? Anyway, thanks again for helping me reach 300 videos. You guys are awesome for that again. And I hope you'll continue to check out my videos as my channel continues to grow. Anyway, that does it for my reaction video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Later.